If We Are Shade Twins Concealer Edition, drugstore and high-end. I'm gonna put it all in this video. Disclaimer regarding the concealers, I sometimes like my concealers to match my skin tone. I sometimes like them to be a little bit lighter, and then I sometimes like them to have a little bit of peach in there for a little color correcting duo. I have so many concealers, so let's get through them all. If We Are Shade Twins, you are in the shade P3 in the Natasha Denona concealer. Now this is a little bit of peach undertones to it, which I love because it acts like a color corrector concealer in one. I have two shades in the Hourglass concealer. My go-to everyday shade is Suede 6.6. Now this is closer to my skin tone. Now if I want something a little bit brightening, or if I put it right in the inner corner of my eye, I go for the shade Sepia in the Hourglass concealer. I have the teeny tiny one. Now for the Haus Labs concealer, I am in two shades. I'm in shade 21. This is basically my perfect concealer shade. Now, if I want a little bit of that peach moment to act as that color corrector, I go for 22. 21, 22 in the Haus Labs concealer. If We Are Shade Twins in the Kulfi concealer, you are in the shade Cocoa Crush. I love this concealer down. She is so lightweight and just chef's kiss. You are in the shade 360 Cashmere in the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. Love this one too. All of these concealers I love. I'm only going to share the ones that I love with you guys. If We Are Shade Twins, you are in the shade 135. What is this? Medium beige in the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. You are in the shade Sugar Biscuit in the Huda Beauty concealer. You are in the shade 29N in the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. For the NARS Radiant Creamy concealer, I have two. One that's a little bit lighter and one that is closer to my skin tone. The one that is closer to my skin tone, you are in the shade Praline. And then if you want something a little bit lighter, a little more brightening, I recommend going with Honey. The newest addition to my collection is If We Are Shade Twins, you are in the shade 6.5 medium in the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Blush concealer. The shade matching.